The teacher's home page has several areas in it. On the left-hand side, you see your name and the date. You also see a list of your classes. In the middle is the message center. The message center can be used to send and receive messages to various people, including learners, other learning facilitators, and others. On the right-hand side is a set of icons. Currently, there are 9 icons showing: Class Schedule, Planning Calendar, ILP Manager, Groups Manager, Educate Reports, Resource Database, EduWiki, Create Something, and Score Something. Along the top of the screen you see a menu. On my home page you see Home, eAdmin, Profiles, Classes, Student Progress, and Teacher Pages. On a teacher login you would see most of these, not eAdmin however. There are several other places where you get menus. If you click the wrench next to any of your class names, you get a drop-down menu like this, which shows several items. On the other side, your Score Something icon also gets a drop-down menu, which shows your various classes and groups, and within each class or group, you get a drop-down menu of various things to score. The Class Schedule icon simply calls up your class schedule. It runs for a week. The Planning Calendar icon brings up a calendar which incorporates all of your classes and groups and shows any tasks you have assigned to any of the classes or groups, with notations as to which class or group it belongs to. For example, here we have a task with a 5 in front. That indicates that it belongs to this class here that has a 5. Your ILP Manager icon will take you to students that you are an advisor of and will show any ILPs that they currently have functioning. The Groups Manager icon takes you to a screen in which you could manage groups or create new groups. The Educate Reports icon takes you to Educate Reports you can use. Most teacher logins have the Educate report called Class Group Target Summary Report. The Resource Database icon takes you to the Resource Database where you can search for tasks already created, or you can add a new task from scratch. The EduWiki icon takes you to a page that you can create or update a wiki page of your own that is within Educate. The Create Something icon allows you to quickly go to create a task, create a unit, create a wiki page, or create a group. It's kind of a shortcut icon to each of these pieces. The drop-down menus along the top. The Home drop-down menu actually simply takes you back to home. Under Profiles, you can get the Family Manager. Teacher logins generally have the Family Manager, which you can work with either parents or learners on their logins. The Classes drop-down menu, you can see student schedules. Mostly there isn't anything on here of use. Under the Student Progress drop-down menu, you can go to Class Grading Spreadsheet or Groups Grading Spreadsheet or Groups Manager. Those you can get to more easily from one of the other drop-down menus we just looked at. The 4 items mostly of interest on this drop-down menu are the Level Reporter, the Progress period comment manager, the progress report printer, and the student snapshot.